Hey everyone, want a tea time snack that is crispy, low calorie, and lasts for an entire month? Today we are making an authentic North Karnataka style dry Mandakki Vagaranne. Unlike the wet version, this one keeps the puffed rice completely crunchy and loads it with garlic, roasted peanuts, and spices. It takes just 10 minutes to make a huge batch, and let's head to the kitchen and get started. We have added all. Now let's add some mustard seeds to start with. And we have just started and we will be finishing very fast. Yes. So for that you have to keep all the ingredients ready. Let's have lot and lot of garlics. So garlic you can leave it as an unpeeled, or if you wanted you can peel it. My secret advice or the secret recipe for this is keep the garlic unpeeled and then add some raw and rather some add lots of peanut and then fry it for a while. Sure, we have to next add what is that? What's that? Uh, I forgot. Yes, this is the thing. Red chili. Oh my God! How did I forget it? To tell red chili. Okay, let's add some red chilies. Just cut and crunch, and lots of curry leaves. Pure every ingredients like garlic and peanut and Bengal gram, which we will be adding it. Yes, and red chili and curry leaves. The more you add it, the more tastier it will be, and the more volume or the batch gets produced. But that doesn't mean you add lots and lots of salt and other things, because that will spoil it. Of course, you know that, and you have to add turmeric powder to get it yellowish finishing it, because of that. Otherwise, it will be whitish. And then let's add some red chili powder also. Make sure that as per your spicy tongue, you add it, or the red chili powder. And then let's add the hero of the dish, that is puffed rice or mandaki. And to the stir fried all those ingredients, let's add it, and then we have to mix it well so that all the masala or the fryness gets mixed. And we have to eat it after it gets cooled. Then only you will get that crispy mandaki or the dry Vagaranne. You will definitely love it. So I hope you have loved it, and please don't forget to subscribe. See ya.